Unifella, it's me, Rene Tjandra, and welcome back to my happiness. So today, it is an unboxing, as on the title, unboxing, a first impression, swatches, and review from, you know, Minuet Official. So it is a collaboration, Cindercella, and of course VINNA GRACIA. I love them both so much. Thank you for sending me this. So thank you for Minuet Official and also Summer Beauty House. So first of all, I'm sorry with my pale face. Aku udah do my complexion and my eyebrows, but not the lipstick, obviously. Aku mau buka ini. Okay, let's open it up. Pengen kasih lihat kalian. I'm so excited. So it's a big bow and a big box. Oh my lord. So look at this. I don't know if you can see it. It says Minuet over there, and how to open this? Mana ini? God. Okay. I don't wanna ruin the box. I'm sorry. Okay, there you go. Oh, look at this! Ta-da! Aw, very cute, and they have a card. Hey there, soul sister. You are receiving this because you are one of our special people. Aww. We put our love and hard work on this baby right here, and we want you to share the happiness with us. We hope that you will create your own makeup look with this palette and have fun with the process. So it has a little thing over here. Oh, it's so cute. Ah, it's a sling bag. Cute. There it is. Ta-da! Oh my god. Oh, I like it. It's glossy. Minuet, VINNA, and Cella. Yes. It looks like this, and on the back side it has their sign on it, the signature on it, and all the ingredients. Cruelty free, vegan friendly. Even better, the inside it's like velvety kind of things, and the Minuet sign is like holographic. I don't know if you can see that. And it also has a sign on it. Ooh, super cool. Super cool, sister.
I'm sorry. So, this is the back. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you guys. I didn't notice.
So here's the front. Oh, it looks like galaxy sparkles. I love it. Ta-da! It has a mirror on it, and here it is. Be confident in who you are because you are so beautiful. Makeup only helps you look more beautiful. Aww. Remember to make yourself a priority. Get up, do your favorite makeup look, and conquer the world. Conquer the world. You guys, you are so inspiring. Really amazing girls. So I just figured out all the 8 shade of this. It has a name, and the funny thing that I know that these names are all the family members. Like this one is Pixie, it's Cindercella's dog name, and Zoe is Finna's dog name, and TJ is Cella's father. I don't know, Mel is mother, or I don't know, I'm not sure, but this is Ego or Ego. And this is California because Finna is living in California, her family, right? And this is Odi and Omi is panggilannya Finna ke her parents, I believe. Yeah, I heard that. So this is all the names of their family members, the loved ones. So it's very special for them. So yeah, and all the colors I want to start to swatch it. Aku pengen swatch, and let's start with Zoe. So buttery, oh my god. And, ooh, and Pixie, so buttery as well. Ego and Mel, it's all the matte shade. Ooh, all the pigments are really good. Okay, the next 4 shades, Odi, ooh, very creamy. California, Omi, and TJ. C, ooh. Very nice color. Okay, first color I'm going to use is Zoe. super pigmented. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do today. It's been a while. Like, put it all over my lid. I don't know, should I do a cut crease or should I do hollow eyes or just, I don't know, I'm not sure. But the color though, it's good. Nggak banyak falloutnya juga. And the pigmentation is okay, great. I'm just going to do a basic kind of color, okay, neutral, pixie. I'm going to pick pixie and put it on a crease as well. Just blend the color. Ooh, it blends nicely. I want to deepen the crease with the pixie color after this. Aku bakal pakai brush yang lebih kecil, but for that aku mau ambil Zoe-nya lagi untuk ini. There's no harsh line di bagian atas. Now I'm gonna get another brush yang smaller, but get the pixie again. Put it on a crease. Kayaknya aku pengen bikin cut crease sih. Pixie, you got a really nice color. And then on the back side, aku mau pakai warna Ego. Going to do cut crease after this. Nanti baru aku taruh kayak warna yang OD kalau nggak salah. I got a concealer on my flat brush. I'm going to conceal. And I'm going to put the OD color on it with the same brush. Clean it up first. Oh yes. Good. Aku mau kasih kayak fix plus dulu deh supaya lebih ngeceling. Okay. I get my fix plus. Aku mau pakein di to get the OD color even more pigmented. Ooh, you see that? I decided to put it this way, kayak half through cut crease. Then aku mau pakai warna Zoe lagi, small detail brush untuk di bagian bawahnya, underline, right? Gue kayak lupa ini. And using the pixie color, di blend. And a little bit of Ego. So overall, aku suka banget sama paletnya. The colors itu apa ya? It blends super easy satu warna dengan warna yang lainnya. And I'm already almost done with my look on this side. I've already put eyelashes, eyeliner, mascara and everything, and I will do on this side and then I will talk to you guys again after this. Okay? I'll be right back. guys, I've created from this palette. Already done with my complexion and all the blushes and all the highlights and all that jazz. So, okay, now I'm going to talk about my conclusion of this palette right here. So the first of all that I would like to say is thank you so very much for them, VINNA and Sela, for sending me this lovely package yang which is huge. First impression aku was like, gila ini apaan gitu. It was so luxurious. The big bow itself, so it's just classy. I love it. The sling bag as well, thank you so much. It's so cute. The palette itself, it represents apa ya? Colorful, muted color. And it has stars. Aku ngerasa ini kayak galaksi gitu loh buat Rene. Jadi eye catching dan luxuriousnya dapet. Terus dia juga tulisannya dia kayak ada reflect holographic, super cool. Terus dalamnya sendiri it has mirror already, jadi ya gampang banget dipakai buat dibawa kemana-mana. Buat aku warna-warnanya tuh neutralnya dapet, glamnya dapet, and all the shimmer and all the formula itu tuh oke banget. Oh ya aku lupa, kalau ini tuh bisa jadi contour color gitu dan harusnya aku pakai blushnya ya nggak sih? I'm so sorry. Ini ada blush on, kenapa gua nggak pakai? Okay, it's adding more color to my cheek. Oh my gosh, the pigmentation, jeez. Tapi Rene pakai yang highlight yang OD ini. I super love the color on my eyelid. The formula itself, dia itu warna-warnanya super pigmented. Dan apa ya, pas Rene swatching sendiri pun itu juga dia very buttery. And gak cuman si shimmernya aja tapi yang matte-nya juga. When I put it on my eyelid itu nggak banyak falloutnya. But again, when it comes to pigmented eyeshadow, they have a kickback di paletnya dan menurut aku itu nggak masalah karena biasanya most of them are like that. So if that doesn't bother me, just blow it away or tap it, nggak masalah. Dan it blends very easy and very apa ya, one to another color it blends super easy dan perfect. All their names of the eyeshadow palette itu tuh their love, like their family members, their dogs and places. It's very personal for them, so congratulations once again guys, you made a great palette. I believe you guys pour your heart inside of this palette and congratulations once again. Yeah, I guess that's all for me and I hope you guys can enjoy this palette also. Ini kalau nggak salah masih pre-order and I don't know for sure how much is the price for this. Kalau Rene udah tahu nanti I will put it on the link down below. That's it for today. I hope you guys like it because I really do like it. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And once again, don't forget to spread the love and share knowledge to your friends. See you guys on my next video. Bye! Coffee. Satu warna sama satu yang it blends super easy dan warna satu sama warna yang gimana ngomongnya? It blend tapi